Hello guys. So how to take the data from Excel sheet to Google Slides. So I'll give you a simple example. Let's open Google Sheets. So I'm opening this. Prior to that you need to log into your account by using your Gmail ID. So I have logged in here already. And if you see this here a blank page. So clicking this. So this is the empty one. So let me put some data here. So this is the data I have. So this is the sales data of second quarter 2020. So I want to make this as a slide. So I'm just on Google Slides. So this is the link. So I'm opening a blank sheet here. So remove all this. You don't need all this at all. Now copy this entire data here and just paste it here. So prior to that you need to enable this paste table and link to spreadsheet. Okay, if you are not linked to the spreadsheet, so it won't update the data. So I'm just pasting it here. Let me adjust it. So now the data is ready. So if you go here and if you change something here, it will directly reflect here. So let me refresh this one. See here the update one. So you need to just click on this. See this, all the data is up to date. So in this manner you can link spreadsheet to the slide.